The Annotations feature from the Future package in Python allows you to postpone the evaluation of type annotations. By importing annotations from the Future package, you instruct Python to store annotations as strings rather than evaluating them at function or class definition time. This behavior can be particularly useful for avoiding issues with forward references in type annotations. In this example, without postponing the evaluation, you would need to ensure that person and greeting are defined before they are used in the annotations. Otherwise, you will have the name undefined error. You can also put person and greeting in quotes in the type annotations, but it looks pretty ugly and may not be supported by some IDE. By importing annotations from the Future package, you can defer the evaluation, allowing you to reference classes and types that are defined later in your code. It can make our code look much cleaner without the quotes and type annotations. Another important use case is to allow using typing features that are only available in future Python versions. For example, if we try to use pipe as a union operator for types in Python versions below 3.10, we will have syntax errors when checking with MyPy. This can be solved by importing annotations from the Future package, which makes it possible to use new typing features in older Python versions.